These are getting hot. I have an idea. If you're a busy barber, then I'm sure that you've experienced your clippers and trimmers getting hot or overheating. Now, sadly, there aren't many great options out there, but today I'm going to show you 5 ways to keep your clippers cool. Now, some of these options may seem a little extreme, but hey, you have to do what you have to do. So let's start with number 1. Saw off the top half of your trimmer. That was close. Now, I know this fad started some years back, and while it may look cool because all of the barbers are doing it, trust me, it's definitely for a reason. Sawing off the top half of the case allows more airflow to get into the motor. Now, this does come with a downside, of course. Since the top of the device is open, this allows hair to easily get trapped inside of the motor, and this could in turn shorten the lifespan of your trimmer. Also, if you just bought this device and you saw the tops off of it, well, you can say goodbye to your warranty because it immediately voids the warranty if you cut off or alter the device. So worst case scenario, if anything goes wrong with the trimmer, you have to just completely buy a new one. Moving on to number 2, constantly turn off and on your clippers and trimmers. Now, I'm sure this is the case with a lot of other barbers, but I've been conditioned to do this over time. Whenever I'm turning the client in the chair or if I'm combing the hair, I just out of habit automatically turn the clipper and trimmer on and off. If you cut a lot of hair, you'll quickly notice how the motor will get warm and the blades will start to get warm as well. When I first started cutting, this was one of the first things that I learned to do to keep them from getting hot, especially after back-to-back clients. Now for these next 2, let's just say I hope you have a lot of money. Number 3, get ready to spend a lot of money on multiple sets of clippers and trimmers. You're gonna need to spend about $500 to get about 2 to 3 pairs of each. I don't know if you guys have been paying attention, but the price of everything has gone up and clippers and trimmers are not excluded. Moving on to number 4, like I said, I hope you either have a lot of money or you're very skilled. What you could do is just cut down your clients and raise your prices to a premium. If you go up too much, you could end up losing all of your clients. So in a nutshell, just get rid of your clients or just don't cut as many. And finally, moving on to number 5, get you a fresh pack of oven mitts. If the trimmers just get too hot to hold in your hand, simple. Slide your oven mitts on and you're good to go. You can purchase these oven mitts by clicking the link in the description from the Barberstyle Directory Amazon store. I'm just playing. You will not find any mitts on the Barberstyle Directory Amazon store. However, you will find barber supplies. So if you need any barber supplies, go ahead and click that link in the description. Also, I wanted to add a bonus topic. I know a lot of barbers are going cordless, but the thing about going cordless, you're gonna constantly have to recharge your clippers and trimmers. The average runtime on a cordless clipper is about 120 minutes or 2 hours, and that is definitely not going to get you through an entire workday. And the same goes for trimmers. Just in case you didn't know, the more you recharge batteries, the cells in the batteries will eventually die. So that 120 minutes or 3 hours or whatever the runtime is going to eventually start to decline. So that 3 hours will turn into 2 hours and 30 minutes, 2 hours. The more you recharge them, the more the cells are going to die. Now, it would be nice if one of the major clipper companies addressed this problem, but based off the fact that they've become gazillionaires by selling millions and millions of the same clippers and trimmers using the same technology from the early 1900s, I just doubt they have a desire to solve this problem. Unfortunately, this problem has been around forever and barbers have just become conditioned to deal with it. The only real solution that I see is a new clipper company coming in with a desire to solve the problem that barbers really care about, which might happen sooner than you think. Until then, you'll just have to rely on the tips that I gave you and hopefully that will get you by. So if you like this video, comment below. I want to know what you guys think. Make sure that you have on post notifications because you don't want to miss next week's video. Thank you all for watching and I will catch you guys on the next video.